Kung gusto niyo mga murang cover sa cellphone niyo, ito lang oh, 29 Hong Kong dollar yung mga nasa Hong Kong. Meron pang $9 dito. Pang iPhone 13 Pro Max. Ay, so cheap la. Yeah. Yeah. Imagine niyo, napakamura. Kesa bibili kayo sa labas, sa iba, 100, 150, 50, ganyan. Ayan. Protector. Glass protector, imagine niyo 19, no? Ang mura. 19. Dito lang yan sa Sham Shui Po, exit B2. Ayan. Full copper tempered glass, $9 only. Yung iba, 19. Mamimili ka na lang, $19. Ayan nun. 29, 19, $9. Wow. So cheap. Magkano yan ganyan? Oh, $5. Mura dito. Imagine niyo. $5 lang. Patik mo yung mga wallet, $9 lang. Tempered glass. Wow. Tempered glass. $25 lang. So cheap, ah. Sino mo yung bag na ganito? $5. Tapos niyo. Malaki to. Hanggang dun. Nakakatamad lang pumasok. May mas mura pa pala dito kesa doon sa binibilhan ko. Kung gusto nyo, $9 lang. Diyos mio. ito, yung pagka magpapabagahe ka. $3 only. Diyos mio. Ito, yung medyo makapal at mahaba. $9. Yung mga bags. $5 only. Mga bags dyan. Lalagyan ng cellphone nyo. Diyos mio, yung binibenta sa online. $3 only. Dito lang pala yun. Yeah. Dito lang to sa exit seat. Dito. Ayan siya. Ayan. Mga pagawaan din ng cellphone or iWatch. Diyos ko. Pag magpapagawa kayo ng cellphone, dito mura lang. Halimbawa, nabasag. Ayan o, nagpapalit sila. Excuse me, how much is the lens of iPhone 13?
iPhone 14. This is Morata.
Huh?
The classic.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, 14 classic. This is this is 15.
Huh?
50.
50. How about the tempered glass? 50?
Yeah.
And then how about if it's totally broken?
Totally broken.
Yeah, iPhone 14.
iPhone 14. iPhone 14. This is 502.
502, 502?
No 500. This is the model.
iPhone 14.
iPhone 14.
How much?
The tempered glass.
No, it's not a tempered glass, as in the glass itself. How much?
The chat
Yeah.
first. Chat first.
Huh?
The chat first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much? This one, as in totally broken, sir. As in the total glass.
Yeah, I know, but it's chat first. The phone.
Yeah.
You have the phone
No, in the house.
in the house. Yeah.
How much is it?
Come to the chat.
Oh.
Chat. Yeah. Low chat. The low phone. You chat.
I can't understand. What I mean is this one, totally broken.
Yeah, totally broken, but you chat.
What is it?
No, you need to bring the phone, come here too.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
And then he will
Yeah,
check how
that's
much.
Oh. Okay, thank you so much. Anong pinapalit nyo?
Indonesia.
Sorry. What did you...
This is just for screen protector.
Only the screen protector. How much is it?
No, the screen protector. LCD.
LCD. How much is the LCD?
1,300.
For the LCD. Okay. iPhone 14?
13 Pro Max.
13 Pro Max. Okay. 1,030?
No,
Okay.
1,300.
1,300. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. 1,300 for the LCD. LCD pala yun. Sorry. Nalito na ako. Ay, nako. Sige, paano? Dito, exit dito. Paglabas mo ng dito, kakaliwa ka. Ayun lang, yung dilaw na yun. Yun na, bago dumating ng McDo, basta yung dilaw na yun. O sige, paano? Bye-bye!